Go. Here's Frankie and I reporting live. Looks like winds have really picked up and it's only been about 20 minutes. He's scared for his life. And I seem pretty optimistic that we're gonna make it right through this. Here we are, guys, coming into the storm. Oh my gosh. It's getting pretty crazy now. As you can see, looks like all my trees are gonna blow away, except the ugly one. We almost got it out the ground. And things are starting to really bunker down in this neighborhood. We take nothing serious around here, not even our own lives. And well, you can really feel the winds now. Rain's starting to really slap the crap out my legs. It's quite fine though. Let's see how this water in the lake is doing. Hopefully it won't be inside my house anytime soon. As you can see behind me, it's getting kind of fuzzy out there. It's quite alright. See if the surge takes that away. Oh, there's Weatherman Frank taking wind measurements. Going back now to Frank, I take this over to you. How's that going?
Winds are 15 miles an hour right now.
15 miles per hour right now. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright guys, we'll see you in a few. It's Carla Castro signing out.